Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact GPU and Windows build so you get the correct driver. Create a restore point now and quit overlays and background apps to avoid conflicts. Once done, download the latest driver installer from the GPU vendor for your precise model and save it to a known folder. Make sure Valorant and Riot Vanguard are closed so nothing blocks driver files. Doing these steps first prevents mismatches and makes the rest of the process straightforward. You now remove old drivers to avoid residue. Boot into safe mode and run selecting GPU only and wiping driver files and registry traces. After rebooting normally, run the new GPU installer and pick the clean or custom install option to replace all components. Next, update your motherboard chipset drivers and any audio or network drivers that interact with the GPU, then reboot again. This sequence prevents driver conflicts and ensures Windows recognizes the updated GPU. Finish by confirming the driver version in Device Manager and in your GPU control panel. Ensure hardware acceleration and power settings are appropriate. Then launch Valorant, let Riot Vanguard reinstall or update if asked, and test performance in a quick match. If you see crashes, stutters, or black screens, roll back to the previous driver via Device Manager or use an earlier vendor build that was stable. A key troubleshooting tip: if crashes persist, boot safe mode, run again, and try.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.